This is the video guidance for the Key Questions assessment for work being undertaken at Key Stage 3. We're using an example here from Year 9, but the format follows the same across Years 7, 8 and 9. Teachers have identified the key questions that students are expected to learn the knowledge of during the course of the teaching. Students are encouraged to answer these questions as they go. It may be set as a homework, it may be something that students undertake independently. As students work through the course, they will build up then their body of knowledge, answering the questions, and at the end of the unit, 30 questions will be answered on the particular subject. The students will be given a blank copy of this particular document. They can then answer these independently so we can determine how much they have learnt in terms of the core knowledge. It is possible also that teachers may interleave some prior learning from previous subjects in the same year or previous years with the assessment as well to understand how much long-term learning has been undertaken.